Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm Unicorn Kleiklang, CEO and CTO of Unicorn Tech Integration. Today I want to talk about a challenge we all face: organizational chaos. Many see it as a hurdle, but we see it as an opportunity. That's why we created Unicorn.BOS, a dedicated operating system designed to turn that chaos into your most powerful strategic asset. Let's see how we can transform your organization together. To understand the value of Unicorn.BOS, think about what DOS did for the computer. It provided a foundation. We've taken those core computing principles and evolved them for the modern organization. We're moving from interrupts to notifications, and from processes to war rooms. But here is the key insight. Unicorn.BOS isn't just another app in your stack. It is the foundational layer that allows every other tool you use to share a collective memory. We aren't just managing tasks, we're building the brain of your organization. We've all seen it. A key team member leaves, and years of expertise walk right out the door. We have the files, the PDFs, the logs, the spreadsheets, but they're just dead data. Greater than without a central brain to connect them, we end up repeating the same mistakes over and over. You see, most organizations don't have a data problem. They have a memory problem. And that's what creates this memory gap, turning a business into a toy of chaos. Next, let's look at Knowledge Studio, which we define as the infinite memory of your enterprise. Our goal here is strategic orchestration. We take the complexity of your SOPs and company history and transform them into digital intelligence. This system ensures two things. 1. Permanence. Your organizational knowledge never disappears, even when people move on. 2. Accessibility. We bridge those islands of information to create one unified, searchable resource. With Knowledge Studio, your data isn't just stored, it's empowered. We're moving from static files to fluid intelligence. Our ingestion pipeline isn't just a dump bucket for data, it's a curated staging area. We start by being format agnostic, accepting everything from PDFs to Markdown. But the real value lies in auto-chunking with overlap control, to keep context intact, followed by human refinement. This ensures that every piece of data in our strategic stash is verified, tagged, and ready to be turned into actionable intelligence. Let's look under the hood at our technical stack. To ensure the vault is both fast and accurate, we leverage OpenAI's latest embedding models paired with PostgreSQL and pgvector for precise data retrieval. Everything is backed up on Azure with real-time syncing. This means your data isn't just stored, it's secure, searchable, and always 100% up to date, as you can see from our integrity dashboard on the left. Now, let's talk about semantic discovery. Most systems just store data, but we connect the dots automatically. Through this graph view, we don't just list information, we map relationships. Our system identifies hidden connections between disparate data chunks that you might otherwise miss. This gives you contextual intelligence, the ability to see exactly how something like HR data impacts high-level CEO decisions. It's about turning raw data into strategic clarity. The biggest challenge with AI today is trust. That's why we leverage the hybrid advantage. By blending the intuition of vector search with the precision of keyword search, we eliminate the guesswork. We don't just find related topics, we find exact terms and meaningful context, then merge them to ensure every answer is traceable and factual. Our AI doesn't guess. It cites your data directly, giving you results you can actually rely on. Most of the market is stuck in the past. They offer simple AI chatbots. We provide AI as a dedicated team member. While others send simple notifications, we instantly open a war room to solve the issue. We don't let logs sit there as dead logs. We turn them into food for the AI brain. We are moving from a passive knowledge base to active hunting and retrieval. This is how we turn your crisis into an asset and your pain into power. Many people think software is just about UI and features. But let's be honest, anyone can copy an interface in a matter of months. What they can't copy is your organizational memory. This is your unique DNA, built from years of real-world problem solving. With Unicorn.BOS, we don't just give you a tool. We turn your history into your greatest competitive edge. Our vision is no longer just on paper, it's now a reality. As you can see from our system status, every core module, from our Infinite Kitchen to Total Recall, is fully live and operational. We've successfully integrated advanced tech like vector DBs and graph discovery to ensure the system is robust. But what's most exciting is that this is just the beginning. Unicorn.BOS gets smarter every single day. To wrap up, remember, stop renting intelligence. It's time to build your own. Greater than. If you're ready to turn your business challenges into assets that no competitor can replicate, all our contact details, from our line ID to our office location, are right here on the slide for your convenience. Greater than. Feel free to reach out to us for a demo of Knowledge Studio, and let's start digitizing your memory today. Thank you very much.